Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Good morning, huckleberries, and welcome to my second day off. Woohoo! Except last day off, I just ran errands the whole time. So I feel like this is the first time I can really take advantage of the daylight hours. I'm here with my housemate. This is Michael. We just walked up the road a ways to the Captain Cook Monument Trail, also known as the Captain Cook Monument Trail. Come along with us on our adventure. Those are fishies. We made it! I'm so happy. You guys have no idea how badly I needed this. I am looking at little yellow fishies. And oh, like the coastline. It's so amazing. So I think what we're gonna do is chill out on the beach. I might go snorkeling. It's really hot down here, and I think my phone might overheat. So stay tuned for whatever adventure is to come, I guess. Michael and I just arrived at the Captain James Cook Monument. There it is. Captain James Cook was a British explorer, and he found these lands. Basically what happened, you know, they came over here and they did a whole lot of terrible things to the locals, went to leave again, and their ship broke down. Also, there was this whole thing about they thought he was a god, and so they like worshipped him and thought he was perfect, whatever. And then he did all these bad things, they left, ship breaks, and they have to turn the ship around and come back, and that's when they murdered him. And the Brits created this memorial for him. Okay, we're gonna go in the water, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Wish me luck. Look at the glass. We're gonna start the hike up, which if you didn't notice previously, it's basically a super steep hill. So I'm not gonna vlog the way up, but we are gonna start heading that way. Wish me luck. Totally worth it though, I already know. And I will definitely be back here again, because this place is magical.
Look what you've done to me, I'm how blessed as I can be. So much in love with you. I know there's another who cares as much for you, but I hope.
Hi. Just took a very, very nice shower. My feeties are hurting. I'm a little sunburnt, you can see. I'm feeling really good. Today was a really fun day, finally getting to go on an adventure and see some breathtaking sights. I would highly recommend the trail to anyone else who comes to the island. Again, it's the Captain Cook Monument Trail. Just to tell you guys a little bit about it, it is a 3.6 mile round trip hike down the mountain to the ocean. It's a small monument, rocky coastline, great snorkeling. So a lot of tourists will take a boat into the bay and snorkel, but hiking is a much more thrilling option. 1,260 feet of elevation gain, and you do that entirely on the way up. So it's very steep on the way back, which after a couple hours of snorkeling and swimming or laying in the sun can be really intense. So I handled myself well. It was a challenge, but it was beautiful. It was fun. Honestly, some of the best snorkeling I've ever done. It was insane, just the variety of fish I got to see and the drop off where it's just the bluest blue I've ever seen in the ocean before. Very scary, very thrilling. Michael brought snorkel gear and shared it with me, so if it wasn't for him, my day would not have been nearly as fun to hang out, and yeah, I'm tired. So I'll be seeing you guys really soon with another video. Thank you for watching. Aloha.